Students, hope all of you are fine. I'm Bimla and again I'm with the chapter Heredity of class 10. So today we are going to discuss about blood group system. So in human being there is ABO blood group system. Okay, so the blood group can be present in the genotype IA, IA or IAIO. Now this I is gene and this A, B and O, these are alleles. Okay. In case of B blood group, the genotype can be IB, 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 IO. Okay. So sorry, IB, IO. Here the blood group will be B. If the blood group of a parent is AB, then genotype will be IA, IB. Okay, and AB blood group is known as the universal acceptor. Okay, because it can accept the blood group from A, B, AB as well as O. Okay, and this process in which both the genes are expressed or both the alleles are expressed, okay, this is known as the phenomenon that is called the codominance. Okay, that means here both the alleles are dominant, both are expressing themselves. Okay, it is not obeying the law of Mendel. Now next blood group is O. So the genotype of blood group O will be IOIO. So this is recessive among A and B. Okay. So in presence of A or B, it cannot express itself. It remain recessive and hidden. Okay. As you can see in blood group A, heterozygous condition, here only A is expressed and O remain suppressed. Okay, in B also you can see the blood group B remains dominant over the blood group, that is the allele O. Okay, so here only B is expressed and O remains hidden. Now, how to find out the blood group? So let's take, if father has the blood group A and mother is having blood group B, so how we will find out the what will be the blood group of the progeny? So the process, okay, for finding the blood group is, first we have to take the blood group of the parent. So genotypic composition of the father, okay, it can be, is as the father is having blood group A, so it can be IAIA, that is homozygous condition also, or it can be heterozygous condition, that is IAIO. Okay, similarly in case of mother also, the genotype of mother could be IBIB, that is homozygous condition of B, or heterozygous condition of the B, that is IBIO. Okay, now if both the parents are homozygous, okay, that is both parents are having IAIA and IBIB, that is homozygous A and homozygous B, then all the progenies, when we cross them, okay, when fertilization take place, the gamete that will be produced will be IAIA, IBIB, and the progenies will have 100% AB blood group. That means all the progenies born to the parent having blood group A and B in homozygous condition will produce the progenies having blood group AB. Okay. Now if both the parents are heterozygous, that means if both the parents are having IA and IO blood group and IB and IO, okay, composition. So in that case, that means if both the parents are heterozygous in condition, so we'll get the two type of gametes, IB, IO, IA, IO, and progenies will be AB, B, A and O. That means all blood groups are possible in the parents having the heterozygous blood composition of A and B. That means 25% each all the blood group in the ratio of 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 will exist. Okay, so in this case parents can have progenies with all 4 blood groups. Okay, now if one of the parent is homozygous and other is heterozygous, so what will happen? Now if one of the parent, let's take father is homozygous A and mother is heterozygous B, so in this condition the progeny produced will be 50% AB and 50% A. Okay, so here you can see that AB blood group is produced. Okay, AB and IAIO IAIO, that is in 50%. Heterozygous A blood group is in 50% and homozygous we can say heterozygous AB, because both are different G alleles, so these are produced. Okay, so here blood group AB is present in two progenies will be having AB blood group and 2 will have A blood group. Okay, similarly if father is heterozygous A and mother is homozygous B, then the progenies that are produced will be, see here, AB, B, AB and B. So we have 50% AB, that is blood group AB we are getting, and 50% heterozygous B we are getting. Okay, it is IBO. So the possibility of blood group that will be present in the progeny can be determined with the help of the genotype of the parents. Now if you want to find out the progeny blood group of the of one of the parent, okay, in that case what we have to do is that we must know blood group of one of the parent and blood group of the progeny. Okay, so under that condition we can find out the blood group of the progeny also. Now if father is having blood group A and son is having blood group B, I am explaining one example how to find out the blood group of one of the parents. So in this case we will find out the blood group of mother. Since genotype of father can be A homozygous or heterozygous A, okay, since son is having B blood group, so the father cannot have blood group, they cannot have blood group IAA. Okay, why? If in homozygous condition, okay, the B blood group cannot come. Okay, so father's genotype should be IAIO. Now father does not have B gene. In father there is B gene is not present, so it must be inherited by the son from mother. Okay, that means the blood group that is present in son that could be present in the mother. Okay, so genotype of mother could be IB or IBIO, that is homozygous B or heterozygous B. So on crossing the IAIO with IBB or IBO, that is homozygous B and heterozygous B, we get, see, in case father is having the blood group IAIO and mother is homozygous B, then the blood group obtained will be AB, okay, B, AB and B. That means 50% AB blood group will be there and 50% heterozygous B blood group will be there. Now okay, so here you can say if the mother is heterozygous B, then we will get the composition which we had discussed earlier, AB, B, A and O. That means all blood groups are possible. That means if other progenies are present or produced into such parent, the probability is there that the progeny can have the blood group other than the B, that is progenies can have, the young ones can have AB also, A also, or O blood group also. Okay, so we know son is having blood group B, so mother can have either IB or IO, that is homozygous B condition or heterozygous B condition genotype. In both conditions, progenies can have blood group B. So in this way we can determine the blood group of the progenies.